Let's see how to add a link to your Instagram bio. For that, let's hop into Instagram, tap on the profile, go to edit profile. There you can go for add link. So if you tap on add link, it will ask you to add for external link, or otherwise you can copy your profile link and you can add your own copy link. So if you copy your profile link and link copied, you can tap on that. Here you can tap on long press and tap on paste, and that will be pasted. There you can title for Instagram and tap on done. Now that link has been copied. If you need to add any other link, you can tap on add external link. And let's say I'm tapping on youtube.com, and let's say I'm tapping YouTube. And now I can tap on done. And there I can go to my bio. Let's see. Here two there are two, Instagram and YouTube. This is how you can add a link to your Instagram bio. Thank you.